Hello, welcome to the Blender tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you create collision between two objects. So for that, I need to uh, make a new startup file. So go to the reload startup file. In this, uh, I need to create a plane first because the object on which it need to collide is a plane. Press keyboard S to scale it up. Now move little bit up to the plane, uh, like this, and we need to apply collision on both the object. So for that we need to open this panel. First we have to select our cube. Now select collision property here, and our object is rigid body. Click on rigid body. Make sure you have clicked on active because of body this will be active and this will be passive. Passive means we need to make our body in a stationary motion, like if we click on passive then the box will not move. For example, see, box will not move. Now if we click on active body, box will start move and it passes throughout the plane because we haven't applied any properties on this plane. So we have to apply a property on the plane, and we also apply collision on this and the rigid body on this, and if we play this, both will fall down because both is active. Now we have to turn on the passive property on this, and if we hit play, then look at this. We'll see the object is colliding in this. Now if we see in rendered, go to the cycles render, see here. This is how you can make it. Now hit the subscribe button for more videos like this, and for see you in the next video.